Power BI March 2023 release, that is a new release update, is now out. Okay, so you can see here that we have a special option called opt in. So let us go and see. First we have to enable that. So just go to the file and go to the options and settings, click on the options and settings. You have few important thing in that options and settings. So you can see here that we have preview features. Okay, usually Power BI, that is Microsoft, they will release initially they will just release the preview feature, and if it works fine, if it is not having any error, or if it not having any issues, they will just release it completely. So all the preview features you can see it here. So now March 2023, they have released the preview features here. So if you click on that particular preview features, you can see that you have object interaction, on object interaction. So what is that on object interaction? See, usually what we will do is when I use any graph. Okay, if I'm just trying to create any graph, so I can only see all these graphs options, like formatting options. Okay, and if I wanted to add anything, so I have to come here. Okay, I have to come here and do it, okay, in the visualization pane and everything. So now if I enable this particular option, what is happening? Let us see what is the change in that. So let us first go and enable it and restart the Power BI. I'm just enabling it, clicking OK. Okay, it will tell you to restart the Power BI. Click OK. Okay, and just go and save. It's now restarted. Okay, it's now restarted, I guess. So you can see the new feature here. See, on the top it is showing all the chart option here. It's great to see. Okay, and here if you just click here on any of the graph, you can see that you have two icons available. Okay, so this first icon, you can see this icon is to add more remove or visual elements. If you click on this, you can see what are the various options which are available. Click on more options in order to see more about it. So zoom slider, if you wanted to add the zoom slider, you can enable it from here itself, or to add the data labels, you can enable it from here itself. And here if you go and see, you can build the data, you can just change your visuals directly. Okay, wow, it's really a cool feature. Okay, if you want to add data to that, you can also add the data. And also if you want to add the legend, you can simply add it instead of going dragging and dropping it here. By default it is showing all the information here itself. You can see that the visuals are not available here, the visuals pane is also not available here. You can see the visual pane here itself. It's a great feature to see here. So I'm just excited to try out all the new features which are there in Power BI in March, that is in preview features in March. Let's just try everything, and also expecting more and more features in upcoming month. Thank you, take care, bye bye.